Yes, namaste.
Namaste ji.
Yeah,
Good evening.
good.
My name is Nandini.
Yeah,
I'm calling from California.
tell me,
I read your book recently.
which book, Nandini?
I got your book from iBooks. Hold on just a second. I'm going to tell you about Asamahavidya,
Yeah,
Reaching Godhood.
yeah,
Wonderful book. I
thank you.
see a big list of your accomplishments, and I was very impressed. And
Thank you.
I see that maybe you could guide me or help me with my sadhana also.
You are basically from where?
From Tamil Nadu, sir.
Okay.
Do you speak Tamil or?
I am from Kerala.
Oh,
Yeah, I am from Kerala. But now in Hyderabad,
okay.
I
So
was
do you
just
speak
in a
Telugu?
satsang. We have satsang almost every Sunday. We discuss
Okay.
different topics, and one of the satsang was on Dashamahavidya.
Oh.
And all that will video will be there on internet. If you send a WhatsApp, I can give you link.
Oh, yes, sir. The
Most,
same number is
yeah.
my WhatsApp.
So
Can I
most
use
of
the
them
same
are
number?
there. Most of them my discussions are, even today what we discussed is will come on YouTube maybe in 1 or 2 days.
Very good. Very good.
So my
Wow.
my
What do
YouTube.
you do now, sir?
Huh.
My son is an aerospace engineer, so I saw you in Israel and all that. I was like,
Yeah, I was a
wow,
space
he has a
scientist
lot
who
of
took my
space time.
retirement after 20 years of service. What do you do, Nandini?
We work in, we have our own company, sir. We have a small company.
Okay.
We software company. We work with school districts. We manage their documents.
Okay.
That's
So,
our primary business, and we do other software requirements for them also.
so who else with you at home?
Sir?
Who else with you at home?
Oh, my husband and my daughter presently. My son is in Texas. He's working for Bell Helicopters right now.
Okay.
He graduated last year, so he started working last year. So he is in Texas, and we are here in California, sir,
Yeah.
with my daughter and my husband.
Last year, this time I was in US in Indiana, Columbus.
Oh, where are you? Oh, wow. Okay.
And I was
Okay.
teaching the
You have
local,
family here?
I was teaching the local people
Okay.
Indian songs.
Oh.
And we posted in a ethnic expo.
I see.
Yeah. The
I see.
Kerala boat race
I
song,
believe. Oh, very good, sir.
Onam
Very
song,
good. Yes,
Kashmiri,
I believe even not just Indians. Oh,
Kashmiri
Indians,
songs.
Americans are very interested in our culture.
Yeah, Kashmiri songs, Bangla song, and Gujarati
Oh.
song. All the four corners of India I
Very
covered.
good. Oh, wow. Wow. Very good.
And Ganesha chanting also. So one Sanskrit also.
Definitely. Very good, sir.
Yeah.
Very good. I grew up in Coimbatore, so if you are from Kerala, may I ask where you're from, sir?
I am from whole Kerala. My hometown is in Kannur, the north part.
Okay.
My wife is from Thrissur.
Oh,
So,
okay.
have you heard about the Kudal Manikyam temple, Bharata temple?
No, sir. I'm only familiar with the
Guruvayur.
Mariamman temple. I'm familiar with Guruvayur.
Yeah, there is a Bharata temple.
Padmanabha Swami temple I've been.
Yeah, there is a Bharata temple,
Ah,
Rama's brother.
ah. Wow.
That's a huge temple.
Very interesting.
Huge temple.
Well, I think his place in Ramayana was very big. I think nobody recognizes it.
Yeah. How often you travel to India?
Currently, I travel only once in 4 years. After the business, it's been very difficult
Okay.
to travel because we have a very small business and we have to balance it with what the
Okay.
manpower we have. It's growing, so hopefully I'll be able to travel more often. Last time I traveled was in 2016, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Yeah. So hopefully we'll be able to meet sometime. Like when I come to India, I
Yeah.
will make it a point.
We
I
can-
really enjoyed your book.
We
Very clear.
can virtually meet. I can give you the link. You look at my videos, and then if you like it, we call it as Maya Satsang. Maya is virtual, right?
I see.
Virtual meeting.
Yes.
Yeah, we do.
I'm Devi.
It's not a large group, but we have few people who ask a lot of questions. It's like questions and answer, no
Yeah.
lecture.
I see.
So
I see.
we can
I
discuss
see.
any questions.
Because I see that. Sure, sir. Sure, I'll be very interested because my temple at home, like I have a very small puja room, and we have Devi that I really am very attached to her. Mahavidya has a lot of the biggest thing about Mahavidya, why I was very concerned, is like that people always have a very interesting opinion about Mahavidya.
Yeah.
They always think they are tantric goddesses. They don't belong in the right hand worship or whatever they call it.
Yeah. It's partially.
What do you think, sir?
It is partially true because the Tantra Shastra is interpreted in a different style in different parts of the world. For a Tantri, generally the Devi Sankalpa is more stronger than the other Sattvic Sankalpas. Because it is not God is a pious person and then he will give you only blessings. Here in the Dashamahavidya, you will see God become sometime, no? Goddess become sometime a person who will punish people. So that somebody thought it could be prior to Vedic culture. So prior to Vedic culture, if you look at Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda is okay. But Atharva Veda, when you look at it, it goes close to Atharva Veda. Therefore, people believe that Atharva Veda is close to Tantric. I can do black magic, I can do something to somebody else. That sort of a power punishing the enemy or something could be the benefit. That sort of an interpretation came. That could be the reason. But actually, if you look at it, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa was a Kali Bhakta.
Yes.
Kali was a so ferocious posture, but Ramakrishna Paramahamsa was a real Sattvic, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So you can
I
look at.
admire him. I admire him.
Yeah. So you can look at this Sattvic Bhava. For everyone, there is a ferocious, maybe an angry, unsatisfied, arrogant mood. Taking out that should be the Sankalpa which you have to learn from the Dashamahavidya. Okay, so not becoming that.
I see.
That is how it has to be approached.
What is the interesting part is they always think these gods as only like gift giving, or if I do this, I will get this. It is like a calculative prayer at
Yeah.
all times. The Bhakti Bhava goes away when you have that kind of a calculation. Maybe they achieve their goals, I believe, but I don't know how it transforms them in any way.
No,
That is my concern.
some tradition people taught that you have to fear is what is given more than bhakti. It is not respect, it is actually fear. There are parents also like that, right? They will make their children, if you don't listen to me, I will do this. That's a fear. That is not respect. So we have a concept that God will punish you. And in Bharatiya Shastram, in Indian mythology, we never said God will not punish also. Because you can see fight between gods and goddesses. There are a lot of war in which God is also involved. And only one hand of the God is giving a blessing, but the other hand always kept weapons.
Yes.
There is a saying, Agradas Veda. Agradas Veda. In your first appearance, you should have all the Vedic 4 Vedas. Prishtajasharam Dhanur. Behind you, you have to keep all the weapons. Sharam, Dhanu, everything has to be there. Wherever weapon has to be used, you have to use that. So our God always told that when weapon is to be used, you should use weapon. That was our tradition.
Because there used to be a Mauna Swami here. He came from India, sir. We used to call him Haridas Babaji. He was in Hanuman temple. He built the Hanuman temple, brought all by Americans only, white Americans. Like they brought him here. They really treasured him, and he built a beautiful temple. It's called Mount Madonna. I will send you a link.
Okay.
See him. He's no more, but when we saw him, there was like this. He looked at my son so intently. My eyes started watering for some reason because he kept looking at my son. He kept looking at my son so intently that there was something. It's called Nayana Diksha. I told my son, "You're blessed."
Yeah.
And he did accomplish very well. It was cool. But what I'm trying to say is that he said something that was very interesting to someone. You have to have your sword in your hand and God in your heart.
Yeah.
If you have to fight people.
It says it should have idam brahmam, idam kshatram. Wherever knowledge has to be used, use knowledge. Wherever weapon is to be used, weapon. Shabadabi, sharadabi. Wherever you can give shapa or blessings, you have to give that. Wherever weapon has to be used, sharam has to be used, to use sharam. Finish him. That is what our
Interesting, sir.
Vedic knowledge says.
I was very fortunate that way. The people were there to guide me.
Okay.
That's why I wanted to take your guidance also, because there were many questions that came to me. Because Dasa Mahavidya, according to one of my gurus, he said is not to be worshipped or not to be followed. So I always thought like that was true, but now many people are following them.
Okay.
And then my incident happened when I was doing Devi Mahatmyam at home, and my father-in-law or mother-in-law, I remember both of them were ailing from when I was doing my Devi Mahatmyam.
If you are strong, nothing affects you.
I see, sir.
Yeah. If you are strong, nothing affects you. And if you are rooted well, then I am sure nobody can pluck you. Actually, there can be 3-4 factors which influences. Assume you have a beautiful car, but your road is bad. Your driving skill. There are 3 factors which make you to drive smoothly, right?
True, sir.
One is car, one is your road, and one is your skill.
Definitely.
But assume your skill is less, road is new to you, car is also not in condition. But assume you have somebody else who is sitting beside you, who is an expert driver, who knows the road. Will you have fear inside you?
No.
Yeah.
No, the karma
See,
that would bring
why
them.
you don't ask why Mahabharata happened? Last year I was teaching. I finished teaching Bhagavad Gita in US.
Okay, sir.
So why do similar problem happened for many wise people you have seen, right? Most of the people were wise. Why Bhishma have to have that trouble? Why Dharmaputra, Duryodhana, all of them had trouble, right? The more challenge you have, more trouble you have, that makes you more powerful. If anything is not there, I am sure Nandini will not talk to Dr. T.P. Shashikumar, right?
No, sir. I think my interest in all this has improved, and she has given me many sadhanas after
That is what I am
realized
saying.
that.
That is what I am saying. So that will take you to the right place at the right direction at the right time. You have faith in that, then it will happen. You tell me one number from 1 to 130.
I will say 18, sir.
18 is the number you are saying. I am not doing something great. I am only looking at a book which I have written. That book is called Life Made Simple.
Okay, sir.
And that book has given solution for most of the problems in the world.
Oh,
Okay. So
where can I buy that, sir?
that is available on internet. You can download it. And
Oh, very good.
I have only gifted. I have not sold and got a single penny out of it. But I must have distributed lakhs of copies free of cost. Okay.
Oh, can we help in any way, sir, for you to do the books here?
See,
I would be very interested
this
in
says
helping you
this
bring the
says
books here.
this says just now what you said. 18th page. I will take a picture and send you, but before that I will just read that. Many times people
Okay, sir.
learn a lot. Many times people
Okay, sir.
learn a lot. That is what just now you said. I learned a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
I feel they are into those good practices too. This being the actualization and the bliss of life in that stage. Being in spirituality is the process of evolution. It is not to be learned, but it need to become. The practice of being in happiness is not showing happiness. Similarly, the
What is
process,
that, sir?
you don't show happiness. It have to be inside.
Okay.
Being is important than feeling and showing. I'll picture it and send it to you. And that book link also I'll give you. You can download.
Oh, very good, sir.
Yeah.
Please let me know how I can help you with any of the. We helped our Acharya here in the temple, sir,
Yeah.
to release a couple of books.
Yeah.
He did Ashwamedha Yaga and he did Divine Weddings. So me and my husband Susendran is his name. We did help him release the book.
Okay.
So that is our little experience with books, but we love books. I just spent a whole bunch of money in buying books because I wanted to learn a lot. And I
See,
would be very interested if there's any way we can help you.
Nandini, take this message. Take whatever wisdom or talk which I am giving, whatever knowledge I am giving to anybody who requires it.
Okay, sir.
And just spread it and
Okay, sir.
use it as much as you can. Because once you give,
Okay.
it becomes more and more. See, today's session, I had people from America, I had people from Gulf, I had people from Assam, Delhi, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat. It's not large number, all people who are ready to learn. I just plan something and then say that, and it's only on WhatsApp I will post it, and my Facebook I will post it. And whatever is there, I will post it onto my YouTube.
Yes, sir.
And USA last time when we had a West drive. And during the time and travel back, we had a few family people. They all know how to chant Lalita Sahasranamam, but they don't know the meaning. So the whole travel I was explaining, they were chanting, I was explaining. And that is also there on YouTube.
We would like to invite you, sir, to California whenever all this pandemic is over.
I have driven to London and then New York, from there to Niagara. And while driving, we had a person. He also attended today also that satsang, and that discussion which we had is called a dialogue on drive. That is
You're breaking up, sir. I can't hear you very well.
all of them are there on the YouTube. You go to my YouTube. I am sure.
Hello?
I am sure Nandini will enjoy when you get into my YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Definitely. And like I said, please visit us when you do come here to
Sure,
California
sure,
or the
sure,
United States.
Sure.
We will keep in contact.
Yeah, sure.
And please come and visit us.
Sure.
I really enjoyed the book. I was very tired yesterday. I finished my day and I still was up until 11 o'clock. My husband was like, what are you reading so intensely? And I was saying like, this is a great book. I couldn't put it down. And I said like, I was really tired and then I had to go to sleep. But then I said, I have to call the person even before I finish the book.
And you
Because
see,
it's wonderfully
exactly out of 136 number, you said 18, and exactly 18 tells the same thing: learning versus being.
written. Yes.
Yeah. I'm so happy.
I really, I am very blessed, sir. I was just looking for Das Mahavidya in the Internet Archive books,
Yeah.
and I found your book.
Good.
And I said, it's really new. I'm going to download it. And I was downloading one other book, which is very old.
Okay.
Because of language issues, I can only download English books. So
Okay.
I'm not able to read or comprehend Hindi. I understand, but not like very well. So thank you very much, sir. I have
Sure.
taken a lot of your time. I really appreciate you talking to me.
Good.
And we will connect through WhatsApp or
Sure.
email or anything. So
Okay. Sure.
thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome.
Thank
God
you.
bless you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you.
Harsha, you are still waiting there? Everybody went? You were listening to this conversation or what?
Yeah, sir. Nice conversation, sir.
She is from America.
Yes, sir. That's why I am listening to improve my English skills.
Okay, good. Okay, Harsha, bye. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. God bless.